Dear friends, long time no see. Canva has dropped some interesting upgrades. Let's see what we can do with them. Today we will create a fun and colorful birthday flyer design. Along the way we will use the latest features now available. Let's get started. First of all, let's head over to Canva and create an empty birthday flyer. We will be creating a unicorn-themed birthday flyer design. So, for the background, I'll search something like fantasy rainbow unicorn background. Next, let's add in a cloud and a unicorn graphic. Different graphics are made with different styles. So here, what is important is to match the style of these graphics. All the art elements should be consistent in style. So here, in order to make the style consistent of these different graphics, we will use the latest Canva copy art style feature that was dropped in the recent 2025 upgrade. Amazing, isn't it? Now it looks like the unicorn matches the art style of the background, and when placed on the background it should look nice. We will drop in some more design elements, and use the same feature to make the art style consistent. Now let's arrange these elements to make an interesting composition. Next, we will add a fun, colorful, bubbly text to match the overall style and theme. We will add a big title at the top. We need to make sure there is proper contrast between the text and the background. Let's decorate the design further with some more birthday celebration elements, like balloons. Make sure the secondary text elements are not too overpowering. You can do this by adjusting the color, size, opacity. The main title should grab the attention first. Next, for the event details, we will add a text box, something that will hold the event details text. But we need to make sure the art style is consistent throughout. Let's improve on the celebration theme further by adding some more decoration and celebration elements like stars. Let's add some confetti to spice up the celebration theme even more. Plus, this also fills in the bottom empty space and balances the design. Next, after the composition is in place, we will once again use the latest new feature, which is Ask Canva. This is like a design assistant, and we can ask it questions like how is the design looking, and if you can suggest anything to improve the design, or if there are any design issues. The assistant will offer helpful advice, which we can follow to improve the design further. Here is how to use it. As you can see, the Canva Ask Assistant is offering some useful tips. The gray box at the bottom looks a bit too formal and doesn't match the overall fun and playful vibe. So we need to do something about it. I am experimenting with the different text containers to make it consistent with the overall design. One last try and we have a consistent looking text container for the event details. Let's mute the color a bit to not make it overwhelming. The focus of the design should be on the top. We could improve on the graphics by adjusting brightness, contrast, vibrance, etc. to make it stand out. Finally, let's see how the design will look once printed. We can use this by applying the design in mockups using the mockups feature. So there you go. A wonderful birthday invitation flyer design using the latest and greatest Canva features. Hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching.